Hi, if you really like to make money, then this video is definitely for you. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about top 3 tech stocks that will explode in 2026 because of the AI revolution, because of the cloud computing era. Well, I started my investment journey 3.5 years ago, which helped me to build a $240,000 of stock portfolio. So in today's video, I'm gonna share my top 3 picks for 2026. I will give my reasons why I feel like these stocks will outperform all other stocks in the stock market, and also at the very end of today's video I'll share some tips that will help you to build your own stock portfolio. So without further delay, let's start the video. Well, I have logged into my Wealthsimple account. At the very top, you can see my current stock portfolio value, which is $239,563. And my all-time return is 77.95%. So in terms of monetary value, it is $104,950. So here under my account, I do have multiple subsections like TFSA, FHSA, RRSP, as I'm in Canada. And beside that, I also do have non-registered and crypto. So if you want to know the nitty-gritty details about my portfolio, I have created a lot of videos related to this. So please watch my previous videos where I have explained my current stock portfolio setup. Okay, so in today's video, as I have mentioned, I'm going to talk about top 3 stocks that would explode in 2026. I'm going to mention that my first pick is this one, NVDA. Nvidia Corporation. So Nvidia is massive stock. So whenever we're talking about AI revolution, AI boom, Nvidia should be the top mentioned stock because it helps to run the AI engine. So if we're talking about this OpenAI or the cloud infrastructure, they're rushing for the AI services like AWS, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, data centers. For every kind of infrastructure at the back end, they're using the AI chips created by the Nvidia Corporation. So Nvidia is a great stock. I have currently almost like 100 shares of Nvidia, and I'm planning to buy more and more. To give you some context, like the power of Nvidia stocks here, under my RRSP, it's not RRSP, it's TFSA. Here you can see I have 50 shares. So when it was COVID season, it was just like all the shares were collapsing. So I bought 5 shares of Nvidia at the price of maybe $150. And then this 5 shares per share went all the way up to $1,200. Then there was a 10:1 split, and I got 50 shares. So my average price was like $13.68, and I got a return 8,613 USD. That is like 1,258%. So imagine the growth potentiality. But I just also want to mention one more thing, that is right now that's just the beginning of AI. So there are a lot of room for growth. There is nothing to think about like, yes, it has its run now, it won't make that much of money, but I believe that this company will double and triple in a very short period of time. And the 5 years growth, in 5 years this stock is up by 1,277%. Massive growth. All right, so now let's look into some numbers. So the market capital of Nvidia is 4.52 trillion. This is one of the largest companies in US stock market. So it's massive. The P ratio is still attractive. It's 45.81. It's still very less compared to some other big tech names. Then the dividend, it's not providing any dividend almost. It's just like 0.02. There is no yield or dividend because it's more of a growth stock. The money that it's making every quarterly basis, it's reinvesting for R&D to come up with some better products for better innovation. So if you are a investor with growth mindset, Nvidia should be your number one pick. So here right now I am holding 100 shares of Nvidia, and I'm just waiting for the perfect time. When there is a dip, I would add more and more, because we all know that AI is the next big thing. It's already has proven that, yeah, it's gonna stay here for a long, long time. So that's the reason I will add more and more of Nvidia share, and I'll also suggest you to do that. All right, my second pick for 2026 is AMZN, which stands for Amazon.com. Amazon is not just only an e-commerce platform. I am from tech background, so, and specifically from cloud computing. So Amazon has their product called Amazon Web Service. AWS is the pioneer of cloud computing sector. It's the industry leader. So with this new AI revolution, more and more data centers are coming up with AI centric services, and AWS Amazon is spending a tons, billions of dollars for innovation, and it's trying to keep up the industry leader role. So for that reason, I think Amazon share would definitely go up in 2026. So here you can see in 5 years, Amazon share has grown 55%. But I am here for the long term, and I'm pretty sure with the AI revolution, the Amazon share will go on top. Like, it gonna explode for sure. Currently, I do have 20, 30, almost 40 shares of Amazon, and I'm planning to add more. Here you can see I have Amazon shares under my TFSA, non-registered account, FHSC, under each and every account. Here you see it is almost doubled my money. I have 97% return in TFS. I have 90% return in non-registered account, and under FHSA I have purchased the share few months ago. It's already up by 12%. That's pretty good return. All right, the financials, the Amazon market cap is also, it's $1 trillion company, $2.59 trillion company, and its PE ratio is better than Nvidia. So here we are getting a quality stock at a almost fair price. Here we can see some other important numbers, like right now the Amazon share price 242, and here we can see the 52 weeks. Where is the number? 52 weeks high is almost $258. So it's almost at the peak. What does it mean? That means this share is doing really great, and people are buying more and more because of the value that it provides. So my suggestion to you is that wait for a while, wait for the perfect moment. When you find a dip, just buy Amazon share, and your future self gonna thank you. My third and final pick for 2026 is Microsoft, MSFT. There are multiple reasons behind it. The first one is the AI innovation. So Microsoft has signed a deal with OpenAI and also Copilot, which shows that how serious this company is with AI revolution. And beside that, Microsoft has the second largest cloud platform, which is Microsoft Azure, which and it's trying to compete with AWS, Amazon Web Service. So there is a lot of tension in between these two companies. But guess what? With this innovation and AI-centric point of view, I think Microsoft will do more than a good job in 2026. And beside that, Microsoft, we all know that the licensing pricing that they have with the Windows and other important products that we are used in our day-to-day basis, like Microsoft Office. So if you combine all of this together, then Microsoft is a very attractive company. So in 5 years, it has grown by 120%, which is a massive return. And currently I do have few shares of Microsoft, but I'm planning to buy more. I'm just waiting for the perfect moment, because as this share is always doing great with their performance, with their return, that's why it's very hard to get this kind of share at a fair price, a cheaper price. So that's why I'm just waiting for the perfect moment to add or load more of these Microsoft shares. So financials, the company market cap is also, it's $1 trillion company, 3.5 trillion dollar, and the P ratio is 33.95. It provides a little bit of dividends, 0.71, but mostly it invests all of its money for innovation, for better growth. So the high, all-time high was 52 weeks high is 555. So it's 469. So you are getting this share almost $100 less. So you're paying $100 less. So I think this is a good time to start to invest under Microsoft. You can open your position with Microsoft, and whenever you get some better momentum, some better price, add more and more, because I'm telling you guys, within few years these three shares that I mentioned will help you to get rich. I am adding more and more. You can see my portfolio is mostly the tech centric, tech stock centric, because I am from tech background, and I feel like if you know the company better, if you know the sector, you can invest on the sector safely. Like, you'll have the confidence. Yes, I know ins and out the nitty gritty details, and I can invest my hard-earned money on these stocks, and I can sleep well. Congratulations guys for reaching this far of today's video. Today I have shared with you my top 3 picks, top 3 stock picks for 2026, which will make you a lot of money. So now I'm gonna talk about a little bit about investment, some tips that can help you with your investment journey. So I started investing 3.5 years ago, and I feel like within few months I will hit my 250k milestone. So when I started my journey, the investment journey, I was not quite sure what I was doing. I was confused because it's hard-earned money that I am risking, and with a proper knowledge, it's very hard to come up with strategy. But guess what? There is no other way than starting. Because if I don't invest my money, if we don't invest our money gonna lose value because of high inflation. And if we just put our money under bank account, it provides very less interest, which can't even beat the inflation. So what's the point to waste our money to lose the value? So that's why we need to learn. So the thing is, like, we need to start. Once you will start, when you see the result, then you will get curious, you will learn more. So then you will be more serious, you will go through the learning curve, and you can make a good portfolio. So my suggestion to you is that at the very beginning, don't try to choose the next hot thing, the best stock. Just invest under any ETF, S&P 500 ETF, maybe VFP. Because when you're investing under ETF, here your money is distributed among all these cool stocks, and this is how you can mitigate the risk, and you would have a very diversified portfolio. Once you understand that, then do your own research and come up with some very cool stocks like the stocks that I have mentioned today. So if you guys have any questions or any doubt related to these stocks, or if you want to start an investment journey and not quite sure how to do that, also let me know in this comment section, and I will reply you in a very short period of time. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos. It means a lot to me. Our community is growing, and the main idea behind this channel is to help each other to grow. Thank you guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you can see my upcoming videos. Well, that's all for today. Have a great and wonderful day.